Yes. Good morning to all. Now we have to discuss the things is our number system now. Let us start number systems or number system or number sets. So before going to learn whatever the concepts which you people has to see, first of all, what are the types of numbers are there right now till now? What are the numbers difference? You has to know what is the clear cut message for each and everything. I'll write the type of number which you people are seeing as first one is natural numbers. First one is natural number. Please write in the
Natural number.
natural numbers. Second one is whole numbers. Second one is whole numbers. The third one is integers. The third one is integers. Next, the fourth one is rational numbers. The fourth one is rational numbers. The fifth one is irrational numbers. The fourth one is the fifth one is irrational numbers. The sixth one is real numbers. The sixth one is a real number. This is a concept you people has to see. First of all, what is a real number? What is a irrational number? What is rational? These are all the things you people has to know. Now let us. I'll try to explain what is each individual. I think you people has a right now. You have a chapter in the 8th class real number for rational number. What is the rational number? What is the real numbers? These are all we have to see one by one. Let us start. I'll with one by one very clearly. Any doubt? Let us ask me. First one is what is the first one? Natural number.
Number.
Okay. The natural number concept is very simple. The numbers will start from 1 onwards. The numbers will start from 1 onwards, not 0. Number will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to so on till infinite. The number will start from 1. It's not be 0. These are all natural numbers. If the people are telling it's a natural number means n natural number sets, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to so on infinite. Clear? Huh? This is called a natural number set. So
Okay.
the second one we are going to hit whole numbers. The whole numbers. The whole numbers means
From
the whole number means the numbers will start with from 0, 0, 1, 2,
zero.
3, 4, 5. So natural numbers plus adding 0, you are going to get the whole number. The whole number W, the people write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on till infinite. This is called as whole number set. Including 0 to the natural number, you will get whole number. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now third one is clear. Now second, next third one, what is the number, Nana? Integers.
Yes.
So integers. The integers is nothing but we have a whole number set. What is the whole number set? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
One,
5,
two, three, four,
up
five.
to so on. It's infinite. It's a called positive set. Positive set. Please go to negative also. Negative means what? Minus 1,
-1, -2.
minus 3, minus 4, up to so on minus infinite. Okay, this is called as an integer set. Integer
Integer
set
set.
is what? A positive numbers plus 0
And
and
negative
negative
number.
numbers. Now it's clear. This is called an integer set. Integer set means it's a combination of the negative numbers and the positive numbers. This is called as integer set, including 0. Clear now? What are the integer numbers?
Yeah.
Now next,
Yeah.
go for a fourth one. Rational numbers. Rational number. This is very important. The rational number is nothing but the number. I can write the definition. The number which is in the form of P by Q.
P by Q.
P by Q, the condition is Q not equal to 0.
Q,
Q not
Q
equal to
not
0.
equal to 0.
Example,
0.
you are telling it is 3 by 4. This is look like a P by Q, but 4 should not be 0. You can say 11 by 2, or you can say 5 by 7, or you can say 8 by 7, or you can say 11 by 13. Whatever the number you write, it will be like a fractions. These are all comes under a rational number. Now it is clear. What are
Yeah.
the numbers you write in the form of P by Q? That comes under rational number. Now next one, 5. Fifth one is irrational number. Irrational numbers. Irrational number means what?
Number.
The number which we cannot write in P by Q form. The number which we cannot write in P by Q. Okay, we cannot write P by Q form. Thus comes under irrational numbers. Example, I'll try to say that for your own convenient here. Example here, let us take pi is there, value of pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. It's 3.14 something. It should keep on going. It is not endless process. It is not endless. This comes under irrational number pi, or else we have that example pi and root 2 also. One example root 3 have 1.414 up to sound like this. It should not be repeated. It's keep on going on there. One more thing is e value 2.716. This comes the best examples of your irrational numbers. Okay, it means the number 3.14 and 13, it's keep on going on there. It should not be repeated also. It's keep on different numbers will come. It is endless numbers. It is also endless. It is also endless. This is comes under irrational numbers. You people will say in your next higher level of educations, what is the irrational numbers? We can say simply irrational number means what? The number which we cannot
The
write in,
number which
we cannot write
P
in the
by
form of
Q
P by
form.
Q. Example, I'll take one question here. Sometimes you'll get an answer here. Let us, I'll take 5.2 is there. 5.2 can I write P by Q form? We can write 52 by 10. Point you remove, by 10 you will get 52 by 10. We can write P by Q form. Am I clear? Right?
Yeah.
Next, 10 by 3 is there. Is it rational number or not? 10 by 3, what can write? 3.333, keep on going on there. This you can write 3.3 bar. This is called a repeated. This is called as a rational number. So simply we can say it is rational number. It is also rational number. Either the number we cannot write in P by Q form, this comes under irrational numbers. Only irrational numbers, these are only available the entire your syllabus. You need to remember, any people they are asking, you can say irrational number example में pi or root 2 or else small e value. These are the constant values. These values should not be endless. That is what this comes under irrational numbers. It's very clear, I think so. Now comes under a rational number. Now comes under last one is your very interesting thing is rational
Real
number is
number.
real number. Sorry, real numbers. The real number means the real numbers is combination of all above 5 numbers. Combination of all numbers. What are the combination of all numbers? Natural number, whole
Natural
number,
numbers, whole number,
integers,
integers,
rational number,
rational
irrational numbers. These are all comes under real number. Real number means combination of all. Now you people are very clear now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll try to recollect one by one for all. Then after that I'll make a one relation here. Natural numbers are starting from 0, keep on going there. Natural number you're including with 0, it comes under a whole number. Integers means it's combination of negative plus a positive values. Rational number means the number we can write in P by Q form. Irrational number means the number you cannot write in P by Q form. This comes under irrational number. I think you are very clear it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next,
Yes.
we cannot real numbers. I'll write one graph for you. I'll write in one pie chart. I've tried to take. This is totally, it is a real number box. This is a real number box. A real number.
Okay.
Okay. This is the real number zone. Okay. This you can write. I'll write in the inside better. This is all real numbers. Red color is real numbers. Okay. In the real number, we
Okay.
have two numbers. We are real number. We have a rational number as a combination of irrational number. Rational numbers. This is called as a rational. This is called a rational number. Sorry, irrational number. I'll try to erase and write it down. This is called as irrational number. Irrational number. This is called as irrational numbers. Because rational numbers are different, irrational numbers are different. That's what I wrote, both different. Then after that, I'll write one more circle inside. This is comes under. I'll make it red sketch. It's better. Next, inside I'll write real number inside. I'm trying to write whole numbers.
Whole number.
Okay. Then after that, whole number inside I'll try to write one more number. It comes under whole number. Whole number is right.
Natural number.
No, integers.
Natural number.
Sorry, this is comes an integer. I don't. This is integers. This is a whole number.
Okay, okay.
Whole number. Integers means it comes under combination. It is integers. This is integer. This is a whole number. Whole number inside what will get? Natural number.
Natural.
Okay. I think you may not. You should not be confusion. Whole number and me 0 నుంచి start అవుతుంది. It will start from 0. Automatically, whole number
Yes.
is a part of a natural number.
Natural number.
Next, integers is a part of integers a part of natural number and whole numbers. Clear?
Yeah.
Integer లోపల ఉంటాయి. Integer లోపల ఉంటాయి. Integer means it's covering natural number and whole number. Whole numbers also integers and real numbers, natural numbers also integers. Clear? Next,
Okay.
rational number means rational number means it should be integer, it should be whole number, it should be rational number also, natural number also. But these two numbers should not be same. Rational is different, irrational is different. They both should not be different. But the combination of these two, rational comes and irrational comes and real number. Now it's clear, right? Okay, I'll take one example for you understanding. Let us will discuss with this chart also. Is it chart is going to following or not? Let us take. I'll give one number. Let us. I'll write a 2 by 3. One number is mentioned. Okay, 2 by 3. I'll check each and everything. 2 by 3 is a natural number. First thing, 2 by 3 is natural number or not?
Yes.
It is not a natural number because natural number will start from 1, 2, 3. Is it 1, 2, 3? 2 by 3? No, it is not a natural number.
No, no.
It is a whole number. The whole number will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's not a whole number.
No.
Third one integer. Is it integer? Is it integer? So it is not an integer. Integer means it comes under negative terms and positive terms. It is not an integer also. Next, is it a rational number?
Yes.
Now it is rational number
Yes.
because 2 by 3 is rational. Now is it a irrational number? Now it is not a irrational number because once it is rational number, it cannot be irrational. Is it real number now?
Irrational.
Is it real number now? Definitely real number. Every number it is one real number. Out of any one value it is going to satisfy, it comes under a real number. Clear? Huh?
Okay, okay. Clear.
Now I'll take one more example. Now I'll take second example for your convenient. Now I'll take number 7. Now tell me number 7. One by one I'll check it out. Is it a natural number?
Yes.
7 is a
Yes,
natural
sir.
number. Is it a whole number?
Yes.
Yes.
Because the number is natural number, automatically it's a whole number, no doubt at all.
Whole number.
Next,
Yeah.
is it an integer?
Yes, sir.
The number it is natural number. Is it a whole number? Automatically it becomes an integer, no
Integer.
doubt at all. Next, is it a rational number?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Is it a rational number
No.
or not? The answer is
No.
yes. The answer is yes. Why? Because
Sir.
I'll tell you, 7 by 1, 7 is equal to, you can write 7 by 1 also. 2 is equal to, you can write 2 by 1 also. Am I clear, right?
Okay.
Then 10 is equal to, you can
Yeah.
write 10 by 1 also. The number you can write in the form of p by q by making denominator is 1. So 7 equal, I can write 7 by 1 also. So that is what interesting me. It's a rational number. Is it irrational number? Not. The
No.
number once it is rational
Not.
number, it cannot be irrational number. Next, is it rational number? Is it real number now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Definitely it's a real
Yes.
number.
Yes.
Now it's clear?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
let us start a last example with this. Number 30. Number 32, you can take example. Number 32. Now let us start working. Is it a natural number? Number 32? Is it a natural number?
Minus 32 or 32?
Minus 32. Minus 32.
No, sir.
Because natural numbers are only positive. So it is a negative number. It should not be. Is it a whole number now?
No.
No.
Because it is not a whole number. Because whole number start with 0 is all positive. Next, is it integer?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Definitely it's integer. Now is it a rational number?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No.
Is it a rational number?
Yes.
Minus 32 1 you can write. It's a rational number.
One. Rational
Okay.
number.
The number it is rational number. It should not be irrational number. Next, is it a real number?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you are very clear now. Clear? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try to, 1 second, I'll tell you all right. First, I'll write a natural number. Sorry, I'll try to erase now. No, first try a natural number set. This is the natural number set, Nana. Natural number key, if you add 0, this is a natural number.
Yeah.
I'll write the step, it's a natural number. Now, when you're adding this to this 0, it comes under.
All numbers.
Then you're writing a negative numbers up to so on, it becomes
Integers.
integers.
Integer.
Okay, if these integers also we can write in the form of rational numbers.
Rational numbers.
Then you write another, it is irrational number. Outside I'll write irrational, but this is not irrational number. So the combination of both, I can write, what can you write? The combination of both all
Real numbers.
real numbers.
Numbers.
So that is what previously I made a one chart is for you. This is what chart. Now it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear. This is the way we need to understand what are the types of numbers. I think you have got
Okay.
very clearance. If you have any doubt, let us we'll meet. We'll discuss in the next.